In this video, we're going to walk you through how you can fix headphones not being detected on Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. This issue can be very frustrating, especially when your sound won't play through your headphones. First, just go ahead and make sure your headphones are firmly plugged in. You could try unplugging them and then reconnecting them, or using a different port if available. Sometimes the port is the issue, and switching ports can completely fix it. If that doesn't fix it for you, go to the bottom right corner of the screen and actually right click on this little sound icon just like so. You're going to see a little sound settings option. Go ahead and open this up and then look under the output section right here and make sure that you have the right headphones selected. That is, if they are listed. If they're not showing up in this section, scroll down a little bit until you find more sound settings in the advanced settings option. Open this up. It's going to take you to a little page that looks something like this. And here's where it gets a little trickier. You're going to want to go to the playback section right here and try and find your headphones listed in here. They can sometimes be disabled just like so. In order to fix it, you just need to go ahead and right click on them and then hit enabled. It's going to be where it says disable right here. That's where it will say enable. Simply go ahead and click OK at the bottom once you've done that, and your headphones should now appear in your output list. That's going to be once again in this normal section right here. Go ahead and select them and they should begin working. If it's still not working, you could try running the Windows Troubleshooter for output devices to detect and fix any issues automatically. But if you do what I just recommended in this video, it should fix your problem. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Have a great day.